I'm joined by Geo for our Push Stock campaign. We're here at NCMT in Coventry. Now, obviously they have a lot of stock which we're covering today, but we're talking about this GENOS single spindle L3000 lathe. Now, I was reading a little bit of background to this last night, and from a footprint point of view, it's best in class. But tell us a little bit more about the specifics of this machine.
No, absolutely, Mark. It's best in class for albeit it's got the extended length in the Z-axis. The machine, like all Okuma's, you know, very high quality machine tools, all Okuma's own products to make the machine tool, you know, in regards to the servo motors, so on and so forth. It's got really chunky box guideways for cutting them really hard materials, and one of the features that I really love about this machine tool, it's got something what's called machining navi. Now, you might ask what that is, but what it is say, for example, you're machining them really hard materials and you're getting vibration. It will monitor that vibration and increase or decrease the spindle speed accordingly to reduce the vibration and get that optimal surface finish that you require. So as a machine tool goes, or as a single spindle lathe goes, some of the features on it, Mark, are absolutely exceptional.
But the machine has been extended as well, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's an extended footprint in regards to more stroke in the Z-axis.
And when you look at the backup and service that you get from Okuma, what are they actually offering on this machine?
In regards to backup and service, it's the same as what they offer with all of their products. It's exceptional backup and service. I believe they've got over 20 service engineers out in the field all the time, which will back up the lathe. You've got the service and support on the control systems, on every single aspect of the machine tool.
And with, like any Okuma, this is very well built, it's very rigid, and it's very accurate. And also, that turret looks a bit punchy to me.
I know, absolutely, Mark. I think there's so many benefits of having everything made by the supplier, such as Okuma. The turret, it speaks for itself. Look at the size of the turret, Mark. You know, lots of rigidity there for sure. And you've also got the live tooling on there, and it's being sold from NCMT at an incredibly good price to support the industry.
It is, Geo. This is a bargain, actually. This machine is ready for delivery at less than £105,000. Contact NCMT for more information.